The Philippine Air Force, PAF, 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing welcomed two S-70I Black Hawk combat utility helicopters at the Brigadier General Benito Anipon Air Base, BRIB, in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu on March 15. Just like an excited family who is patiently waiting for the arrival of a newborn baby, the 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing warmly welcomed their newest platforms, the 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing said. It noted that the arrival was the said aircraft's first touchdown at their home base in Visayas after delivering COVID-19 vaccines from Legazpi to Masbate earlier in the day. The two helicopters immediately proceeded to BRIB after transporting the said vaccines, in preparation for another mission in the area, it added. For the past few days, the S-70I Black Hawks have been primarily utilized to transport the much-needed vaccines to the far-flung areas of the country, showcasing not only their much longer range, but also their faster speed and higher payload capacity. The S-70I Black Hawk is truly a remarkable platform that is more reliable in the conduct of different humanitarian and combat missions of the AFP, from disaster relief operations and medical and casualty evacuation, to combat resupply and limited close air support, 205th Tactical Helicopter Wing said.